Hey friends! Keeping your vehicle powered requires a top-tier battery that offers durability and high performance across all seasons and terrains. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car batteries in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the HQST car battery for sedan. This absorbed glass matte powerhouse is specifically engineered to meet the rigorous electrical demands of modern vehicles equipped with fuel-saving start-stop technology. Boasting a formidable 680 cold cranking amps, it provides the sheer force necessary to ignite your engine even when temperatures plummet to a bone-chilling 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The battery's resilience is further highlighted by its massive operating range, functioning flawlessly from a scorching 140 degrees Fahrenheit down to a subarctic -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Because of its advanced AGM architecture, users benefit from a cycle life that is 3 times longer than traditional flooded alternatives, making it a cost-effective long-term investment. This specific BCI Group 47 model is a perfect OEM-style replacement for a wide variety of compact cars and sedans, ensuring a snug fit and simple installation with standard SAE top posts. Additionally, the unit is entirely sealed and spill-proof, removing the hassle of water maintenance while providing superior vibration resistance for those who frequently navigate rough or unpaved roads. It represents a significant upgrade in stability, ensuring that your vehicle's electronic systems remain supported and your starting power stays consistent throughout years of daily commuting. Next up, our second product, the Lithium Bluetooth Solar Lithium RV Battery. If you are looking to modernize your RV or off-grid solar setup, this 12V LiFePO4 unit offers a revolutionary leap in energy density and smart management. Weighing in at a mere 21.9 pounds, it is significantly easier to handle than lead-acid counterparts while fitting perfectly into standard Group 24 through 31 battery boxes. The integration of Bluetooth 5.0 technology allows you to monitor your state of charge and voltage in real time through a dedicated smartphone app, ensuring you are never caught off guard by a low battery. Safety is paramount with its automotive-grade cells and a sophisticated BMS that offers over 20 layers of protection against common electrical faults. A specialized cold-weather sensor automatically halts charging when temperatures drop below freezing, protecting the internal chemistry from permanent damage during winter storage. With the capacity to survive over 4,000 deep cycles, this battery provides roughly twice the usable energy of old-school batteries while maintaining a consistent voltage output. It is the ultimate choice for enthusiasts who want to drastically reduce their vehicle's weight without sacrificing power, and its expandable design allows you to scale up to a massive 48V system if your energy needs grow. Coming in at number 3, the Oakley Replacement Car Battery. For those seeking a compact and economical solution for secondary backup systems or smaller specialized vehicles, this 12V7A sealed lead-acid battery is a remarkably consistent performer. It arrives as a convenient 2-pack, providing excellent value for homeowners needing to refresh the power in their security alarms, emergency lighting, or even small garden machinery. The maintenance-free, spill-proof construction means you can install these units in almost any orientation without the risk of leaks or corrosive damage to your equipment. While these batteries do experience a natural self-discharge during storage, they respond beautifully to a proper initial charge, quickly reaching a stable voltage for long-term standby duty. The internal design features a specialized explosion-proof exhaust system, which significantly enhances the safety profile for indoor applications where ventilation might be limited. Manufactured by a company with over a quarter-century of expertise, these batteries are built to handle a wide range of temperatures while maintaining a high charge acceptance rate. They are a reliable, set-and-forget option for anyone managing UPS setups or critical home safety devices, offering a 12-month warranty to back up their proven performance in the field. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Mighty Max Rechargeable Car Battery. This heavy-duty 70Ah AGM battery is built for drivers who demand relentless starting power and massive reserve capacity for their high-performance vehicles. With a staggering 760 cold cranking amps, it turns over even the largest engines with ease, regardless of how harsh the external environment becomes. The design features a 120-minute reserve capacity, which acts as a vital safety net, allowing your vehicle's essential electronics to run longer if the alternator ever fails. Because it utilizes a fully sealed, non-spillable design, it can be mounted in various positions to suit custom builds or tight engine bays without any maintenance requirements. The rugged outer casing is specifically designed to neutralize the destructive effects of engine vibration and road shock, ensuring that the internal plates remain intact over years of heavy use. This battery is produced in ISO-certified facilities to ensure every unit meets strict CE safety standards, providing you with a reliable source of power that recovers quickly even after deep discharges. Backed by a comprehensive 3-year warranty, it is a formidable choice for those who push their vehicles to the limit and need a battery that matches their lifestyle's intensity and reliability. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Watt-Cycle Lithium RV batteries. For the serious off-grid explorer or the homeowner seeking a robust emergency backup, this 314Ah lithium monster delivers an incredible 4 kWh of usable energy in a single package. It effectively replaces 4 or 5 traditional heavy batteries, saving you hundreds of pounds in weight while taking up a fraction of the physical footprint in your boat or cabin. Built with EV-grade LiFePO4 cells, it is rated for an astounding 6,000+ deep cycles, meaning it could potentially last for over a decade of daily use. The heart of this unit is a 300A battery management system that can comfortably power high-demand appliances like microwaves or air conditioners without breaking a sweat. Its rugged, IP65, rated metal housing provides excellent thermal dissipation and physical protection, making it tough enough for marine environments or exposed battery compartments. Through the integrated Bluetooth app, you can keep a close eye on the health of your energy storage system from the palm of your hand. Whether you are building a massive solar array or just want to ensure your RV stays powered for weeks at a time, this battery offers the future-proof capacity and safety required for modern energy independence. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.